Okay guys, I have a secret to tell you. Yeah, come closer. I have a really big secret to tell you. So basically on the ID4, there's an actual secret way on how to adjust your sunroof right above you. And we're gonna get to that right now. So in order to get to that feature, you go to Vehicle, and you go to the interior part, which has 4 different options. You got Cockpit, Interior Lighting, ID Light, and Roof. And we're gonna go to Roof. So let's click on Roof. And so right here, we got the sunroof. And what you can do is you can actually adjust to where you want to position the sunroof shader right above us. All right, so I'm gonna adjust it real quick. And so I'm gonna make it go about halfway. So I'm putting it halfway. Oh my gosh, would you look at that? That is so cool. And so basically, if you got like some kiddos in the back and you got some friends and y'all are partying in the ID4, you can have them have shade, and if you want some sun, you can get some sun yourself. Wow, this sun actually makes my eyes pop. Let's go. So I'll actually show you a little bit on the screen. So let's go about 80% of the way. It shows it right there, and you can hear it right above me. It's moving. And so we'll go all the way now. And bada bing, bada boom, the entire place is closed. Just like closing your restaurant, you can close your sunroof on the Volkswagen ID4 from your touchscreen. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little tutorial and that quick little feature that is kind of useful. I really like that. But anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, y'all.